So you join us here at Digital Manufacturing Week on the first day of Smart Factory Expo, and I'm delighted to say I'm joined by Evan Sloss from iBASEt. Evan, welcome to Digital Manufacturing Week. Can you just provide us a little bit of background about yourself and about iBASEt?
Well, my name is Evan Sloss. I'm Director for EMEA Operations for iBASEt. Work for a 30-year-old software company. We simplify how complex products are built and maintained.
You work with some huge manufacturers for likes of Airbus, BAE Systems, Rolls-Royce. Can you explain how you have simplified the way they build and operate some of their complex products?
Well, these products, as you say, they're complex. They go through quite a bit of change in the manufacturing process. We enable them to manage that change. Also to not manage but take control of quality, which was paramount, especially with companies like manufacture satellites. They go up to space, you can't maintain that up there, so sure, it's quite important.
Sure. Has a lack of digital infrastructure investment led to UK and European discrete manufacturers falling behind their US counterparts? Yeah,
unfortunately they are. The U.S. has led the way in this, but what we've found through over 20 years of working with several of our customers, their financial performance is better. Earnings per share are higher with these companies compared to the UK and Europe.
Can you explain further to this the principle behind manufacturing execution systems, MES, and how they're being deployed in the US as well?
Well, in the US, they're not looking at this as an IT or even a manufacturing project. This is business transformation. This is about better financial performance. This is about improving earnings per share.
We're seeing some UK and European defence suppliers still using things like Excel spreadsheets, paper-based processes. Can you discuss just some of the shortcomings of some of these methods?
Well, depending on what you read, I've read many different statistics on how many Excel spreadsheets that are being used in business have errors in them. And if you're manufacturing a fighter jet, Formula One car, a submarine, nuclear weapons, you need to have 100% quality in this. And would you want to trust that manufacturing to something prone to error like Excel?
And what are some of the risks around UK and European discrete manufacturers failing to invest in critical digital infrastructure?
One word: quality.
And it's as simple as that?
It's simple as that.
How can MES help manufacturers to catch up with the US, do you think?
Well, this is not about MES really. It's about outcomes. It's about transformation of these businesses. We're very aware of where we fit in this, and it's about being able to understand what's happening in your factory, being able to answer a question as simple as, are we having a good day? Most people cannot answer that for several days, even weeks.
A very general question then, Evan, like technologies like 5G and IoT, of course, rife at the moment across manufacturing, but do we have enough skilled workers to meet the technology and to be able to operate this machinery and technology?
Well, I'm sure we do. It's more about manufacturing companies being able to entice those people into what would have been traditionally engineering and manufacturing type roles.
Well, Evan, it's been an absolute pleasure having your company. Thank you very much for coming down and talking to us, and we hope you enjoy the rest of the week.
Thank you very much.
Thank you very much.